Adam Pac-Man Jones was denied airport privileges at CVG after an incident on an airplane a few weeks ago.
Right, we showed you the video. Police arresting Jones after a confrontation with flight attendants. WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick is live for us in Burlington tonight with what Jones said today after his court hearing. Hi, Brian.
Yeah, Cherie. Well, he didn't say as much as he did leaving jail the day of the incident, but he still contends that he did nothing wrong and he should have no restrictions. But prosecutors here at the Boone County Courthouse, they have a different opinion.
Adam Jones on 2526.
Adam Pac-Man Jones, the former Bengals cornerback, backed into a legal corner.
23M2020 is a charge of terroristic.
He appeared in court on charges of terroristic threatening, alcohol intoxication, and disorderly conduct. He's allowed to travel, but not through CVG. He wanted that lifted, but a judge denied that request. We caught up with him after the hearing. You've had time to think about this for about, what is it, a week or so now. What are your thoughts now as you now have to go to court?
I thought so, the same thing.
You felt
this is not even news. Y'all don't have anything to do.
You didn't think it was justified even.
Not at all.
Yeah. But they made the arrest. Police say Jones got into an argument with flight attendants after he had boarded a flight to Newark on September 11th. Records say flight attendants said they had asked Jones to settle down, but he remained argumentative.
Why would I get out?
He was more talkative leaving jail that day.
I asked the flight attendant, hey, look, the plug is not working. She's like, well, if you want to turn around the plane, blah, blah, blah.
I think his side is that he feels like he had done nothing wrong in the airplane and was asked to leave that airplane really for no valid reason.
Now the former cornerback is back on defense long after his playing days are over. Now, according to his attorney, Jones does work for the Pat McAfee show and some other sports shows. He was actually headed for the Monday night game against the Bills and the Jets the day he was arrested. Reporting live, Brian Hamrick, WLWT News 5.
Brian, thanks so much. By the way, even if Jones is able to use CVG again, the airline itself can ban him from flying with them.